Hello everybody, in this video we show how you can create Magic Remote shortcut buttons on WebOS 22. You probably already use these shortcut buttons, but you can also create your own shortcuts to apps or inputs under one of these number buttons. This is called Quick Access. For example, if you are in the YouTube app, you can create a shortcut to YouTube by holding one of the number buttons. For example, under the number 1 button. After that, you can use the shortcut by holding the number button. Now, holding the 1 button will open YouTube. You can also create a shortcut to an HDMI input or a specific TV program. You can edit the shortcuts by holding the 0 button. You can see which shortcuts are programmed and you can delete shortcuts. Also, you can add shortcuts from here. This is how you can create shortcut buttons on the Magic Remote. Thank you for watching. For more help, please contact your local LG help desk.